Hello dear learners, today I will discuss about another problem in line integration of vector. So my selected problem is there is a vector f, the force is equal to 3xy I cap minus y square z cap. Now we have to evaluate the value of integration f dot dr along the path c where c is y is equal to 2x square, and we have to find out the value of the integration from 0 0 to 1 2 points. The limit is 0 0 to 1 2. So first we will draw our, so y is equal to 2x square is nothing but a parabola. So if at any point it is the force, so for small displacement dr, f dot dr is the work done. So for the point 0 0 to 1 2, we have to find out the total work done. So for that we have to integrate f dot dr. So integrating f dot dr from this point, let's name this point as O and this point as A. So basically it is from point 0 0 to 1 2 f dot dr. Since it is given that y is equal to 2x square, it will be easy for us to change either x to y or y to x. So first I will put 3xy I cap minus y square z cap dot, since dr means dx I cap plus dy j cap. So what it becomes? 2a 3xy dx minus y square dy. Now this equation of the curve can be simplified to another equation. If we put the value of x or y, then we can convert this equation to a single parameter. There are two parameters x and y. Now we will convert this to a single parameter. This can be done by individually choosing another third parameter or individually choosing x or y. So how the values of x changes? From O to A, x changes from 0, initial value of x is 0 and the final value of x is 1. So this is the change of x. Now since we know that y is equal to 2x square, so dy will be 4x dx. So now we can put the value of x in the place of y and dy. So what we get? 3x into 2x square dx minus y square means 4 into x to the power 4. dy means 4 into x into dx. So whatever equation becomes, limit becomes 0 to 1 and the equation becomes 3 into 2 6 x cubed minus 16 x to the power 5 dx. Now simply evaluating this equation, what we get? First term becomes 6 into x to the power 4 by 4 and the second term becomes 16 into x to the power 6 by 6. By 2 x to the power 4 minus 8 by 3 x to the power 6, and the limit is x is equal to 0 to 1. So limit is x is equal to 0 to 1. As you see, it simply becomes nothing but 3 by 2 minus 8 by 3. by 6. So the integration f dot dr along the path C from the point 0, 0 to 1, 2 is nothing but minus 7 by 6. Thank you for watching.